Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I am going to show you the brand new Starcraft CX23 DL bar Tri-Toon powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Try and walk around the outside. It's a Tri-Toon with underskin. And let's hop in the boat and I'll show you the bar layout. Inside the Starcraft CX23 DL bar Tri-Toon, you'll see your standard pontoon seating at the bow with the bench seats. It has the teak weave floors. The cup holders light up. You can see the LED ring inside. Over here next to the port side access door, you have your changing station, standard on these boats. You also have center tune storage built right into the center pontoon and another storage space underneath your helm. This boat's rated for 12 people. Again, it's got a Mercury 150 4-stroke. It's got JL audio sound system. It's got a power bimini top, power canvas. And here is the bar layout. Right now it is set up for the sun lounger, the sun pad, great for people, families that go to sandbars a lot, or you anchor out and swim and just kind of hang out. To make it into the bar, you're gonna turn this and you have your little booth seating there, and then both of these come up to make your bar. So I'll fold both of these up. So now you have your bar set up, and you can install these 4 bar stools in the appropriate spots. You also have speaker off the back here with a radio control, a stereo control, and you have 2 doors off the back, both port and starboard side, with a nice over the outboard ski tow and an extended swim platform. In a nutshell, that is the Starcraft CX23 DL bar Tri-Toon at SkipperBud's, powered by the Mercury 150. Have a great day.